Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or block apps to request to use personal voice on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down to the Speech section and tap on Personal Voice. Then tap on Allow Apps to request to use. Tap on the toggle button to switch this on or turn it off. When this is on, you allow apps to request to use personal voice to speak aloud through your device speaker or during calls. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.